have a bad relationship with your dance shoes, keep watching because I'm going to help you with that. Welcome to another episode of Cocktails and Tips. I'm Rita.Rita, I'm a urban keys teacher, and today I'm here to give you 3 tips to improve your stability on your dance shoes. First tip, increase your base using your toes. Just like our hands that open and close, our toes can do exactly the same thing. I know, it's strange, but it's true. Develop this technique and you will ensure greater stability during your dance. Second tip, weight distribution. This will make you work on a more controlled basis and not on a thin and unstable heel. But be careful, distribute your weight so it's natural and controlled. Third tip, knee flexion. Last but not least, did you know that knees are one of the main responsibles for balance control during your steps? Bend the knees elegantly and you'll see positive results in your stability on balance, turns, and much more. These were my 3 tips to help you dance in heels. Tag someone that needs to improve their stability. Hope to see you on the next videos. Bye!